Hey everybody, Kevin here, WQ9F. Thanks for joining me here on WQ9F Ham Radio. Today I am out here at Kilo 5579, that's Havenwoods State Forest in Wisconsin. This park is a state forest in North Milwaukee. We are in Milwaukee. We're actually just a couple minutes from HRO in Milwaukee. I went there to pick up just a couple odds and ends, things that I was needing, mostly adapters and stuff like that. And who doesn't like to walk around HRO? Friendly staff there, and there's also all sorts of cool stuff to look at. I did pick up just a little audio adapter for, I have a tiny little portable key that I've been wanting to try. And so I hooked it up to the radio. I have the my Icom 7200 already hooked up on my dash. I've got the antenna on for the CW digital portion of 20 meters. Tuned up a POTA station. I was going to try for a park to park, and it doesn't transmit. I don't know. I don't know if it's the key. I don't know if it's the radio. I've never tried to do CW. Well, maybe I have. But pretty frustrating. I was finally gaining up the courage to try to do a little bit of CW at a park. And so I don't know if it's the key or what. If you have this radio, I use, like I said, the Icom 7200. Am I missing something? I have break-in turned on. I have the key type set to not straight key. I have it set because I'm using a paddle. Everything should be working fine. If you've got this radio and there's something I'm missing, put it in the comments down below. I'm going to bring a different key next time, one that I know works. Because I've used it at home, and maybe that'll be a little bit better. But this one, it's a little portable key. It's only like this big, so teeny tiny, fits in the bag. I was pretty excited to try it out, but I guess that's not going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and fire up some single sideband here at the park. I'm going to get on 20 meters and see how many contacts we can make. I don't want to stay here too long, so I'm going to try again that kind of little trick of turning the power down to manage the pileup, because it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. HRO in Milwaukee is about 90 miles from my house, so it's going to take me about an hour and a half to get home, and I don't want to get stuck in rush hour traffic both leaving Milwaukee and entering Chicago. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It'd be much appreciated. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to make a small donation to the channel, I have a Buy Me a Coffee, and I'll put a link down below in the description. But for now, let's go ahead and get this park activated. So I went ahead and put on the 20 meter resonator. You see it up at the top right there. I just use the regular resonator for single sideband, and I have my triple magnet mount. And now run my coax through the window here. Have the radio set up already. You can see I was on. So I'm in CW mode. I have break-in turned on. POTA station is gone. I have the cable running to the back. Here's the tiny little key, but as you can see, nothing. I got nothing on here. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. It might be the key. I'll go plug this into my radio at home and see what it does. RF power, we're going to set this to 45. This is the same thing I did the other day at the Glacial Drumlin Trail, which was a twofer with the Ice Age National Historical Trail. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot. Calling CQ Parks on the air, Park Kilo 5579.
Whiskey 1, Alpha Romeo Romeo.
Whiskey 1, Alpha Romeo Romeo. 5x9, 5-9 into Wisconsin today.
Roger, Kevin, copy to 5-9. You're a 5-8, Rhode Island. Have a great day. 7-3.
Roger, thanks for hunting as always in 73. QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Kilo Oscar 4 Zulu
Kilo Oscar 4 Zulu
Whiskey Delta.
Whiskey Delta 5x7 5-7 Wisconsin.
QSL, I have you 5-2 in Golf Alpha.
Roger, Roger, Golf Alpha. Thanks for hunting in 73. Was there a station ending in November?
Victor Alpha 3 Juliet India November.
Copy. Victor Alpha 3, Juliet India November, 5x9, 5-9 Wisconsin.
Thank you. You're 5-9 Ontario. Have a good one, sir.
Thank you for hunting. 73. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot. Kilo X-Ray 4 Yankee Quebec. You are 5x5, 5-5 Wisconsin. Copy. Victor Alpha. Thanks for hunting in 73.
73.
QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot. November 3 Oscar Alpha. You are 5x5, 5-5 into Wisconsin today.
Thank you. You are 5-9 in Maine. Mike Echo.
Roger, Roger. Copy. Maine. Thanks for hunting today in 73.
73.
QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot. Kilo Foxtrot 5 Quebec Yankee Golf Park to Park. Go ahead.
Yes, this is Kilo Foxtrot 5 Quebec Yankee Golf. I've got you about a 5-7 into my park here in Houston, Texas. Kilo 3511.
Roger, Roger. You are 5x5, 5-5 into Park Kilo 5579.
All right, thank you for the 5-5 into 5579. Yes, have a great day, 73.
Roger, Roger. Have fun and stay safe. 73. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
Kilo Foxtrot 7 Charlie. Bravo.
Kilo Foxtrot 7 Charlie. You are 5x7, 5-7 Wisconsin.
Thanks for the 5-7 to the park. You're 5 and 6, 56 here in Wyoming today, over.
Roger, Roger. Copy. 5-6 Wyoming. I appreciate the contact today and hopefully you have a great day.
Yeah, you as well, 7-3.
Thank you. 73. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
November 2, Papa Yankee. Bravo, bravo.
The November 2 station.
November 2, Papa Yankee Hotel.
Copy. November 2 Papa Yankee Hotel. You are 5x7, 5-7 Wisconsin.
QSL, I have you 5-7 New York as well.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for New York and thanks for hunting today. 73. The station ending in Bravo, Bravo. Was there a station ending Bravo, Bravo, please?
Kilo Charlie 4, Bravo, Bravo.
Copy. Kilo Charlie 4, Bravo, Bravo. You are 5x5, 5-5 Wisconsin.
QSL, I have you 5-9 Alpha Lima.
Copy. 5-9 Alpha Lima. Thanks for hunting today in 73.
Hey, 7-3, have fun out there.
Thank you. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
Kilo Golf 5, Sierra Romeo Golf.
The Kilo Golf 5 station, go ahead.
Kilo Golf 5, Sierra Romeo Golf.
Copy. Kilo Golf 5 Sierra Romeo Golf. You are 5-7, 5-7 Wisconsin.
QSL 5-7 both ways, Golf Alpha.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for Golf Alpha and thanks for hunting. 73. The station ending in Tango Victor.
Kilo 4 Alpha Tango Victor, you 5-5 Northern Georgia.
Roger, Roger. Kilo 4 Alpha Tango Victor. You are 5-7, 5-7 Wisconsin.
Roger 5-7, 73s, have a good one.
Thank you. And 73. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
Kilo 5 Victor Victor.
Kilo 5 Victor Victor 5x9, 5-9 Wisconsin.
Thanks, you're 5-5 Louisiana.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for hunting today in 73. Was there a Kilo Quebec 4 station? Something Quebec 4. Copy. Kilo Quebec 4 Lima Oscar India. You are 5x3, 5-3 Wisconsin. Kilo Quebec 4 Lima Oscar India. You are 5x3, 5-3 QSL.
Roger, I reached you about a 4-4 here in Virginia. 73.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for hunting. 73. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
Kilo Alpha 2 Echo November Echo. Kilo Foxtrot November.
I got a couple here. Let's run through them. The Kilo Alpha 2 station.
Kilo Alpha 2 Echo November Echo.
Copy. Kilo Alpha 2 Echo November Echo. Nice 5x9, 5-9 Wisconsin.
Roger, Kevin. you are 5757 Rochester, New York. The name is Harry.
Roger, Harry. Thanks for the contact today. I appreciate it. Only running 45 watts on a ham stick, so I'll take it. Thanks for hunting in 73.
73, sounding good.
Thank you. The station ending in Tango, November Echo. Go ahead.
Victor Alpha 3, Echo Tango.
Victor Alpha 3, Echo Tango. You are 5x7, 5-7, Wisconsin.
Thank you for the 5-7. I have you 5-8.
Copy, copy, Oscar November. Thanks for hunting today in 73. The station ending in Kilo Foxtrot November.
Kilo India 5, Kilo Foxtrot November.
Copy, Kilo India 5, Kilo Foxtrot November. You are 5x7, 5-7, Wisconsin.
I've got you 5-7, 5-7 in Oklahoma.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for 5-7 Oklahoma, and thanks for hunting 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
November 3, Lima Alpha Golf. You are
The park-to-park station, please.
Victor Echo 3, Papa Tango Alpha, VE3PTA, you're 57, Victor Echo 5636.
Roger, Roger. You are 5-7, 5-7 as well into Kilo 5579.
USL 5579, thank you for the 57.
Thank you. In 73, was there a QRP station?
Roger, Roger. November Lima Alpha Golf.
Was it November 3 Lima Alpha Golf?
Roger, Roger. I got you 5 and 5, 5 and 5, Papa Alpha.
Roger, Roger. You are 5x7, 5-7, Wisconsin. Thanks for hunting 73.
73, good luck.
Thank you. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot. The Mike India Echo station.
November 1, Mike India Echo.
Roger, Roger. November 1, Mike India Echo. You are 5-7, 5-7, Wisconsin.
Roger, you're 5-9 Connecticut, 5-9 Charlie Tango, 7-3, and thanks for the activation.
Thanks for hunting in 73. The station ending in X-Ray Oscar. Go ahead.
Kilo Bravo 2, Sierra X-Ray Oscar. You are 5 and 7 into Western New York.
Roger, Roger. You are 5x9, 5-9 into Wisconsin today.
USL 73, have a good activation.
Thank you in 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
Whiskey 3, Tango Whiskey Bravo.
Whiskey 3, Tango, Whiskey, Bravo, 5x7, 5-7, Wisconsin.
5-5, Papa Alpha. And I have a second call, over.
Roger, go ahead with the second call.
Whiskey 3, Hotel Zulu United. Hotel Zulu United, also 5-5.
Roger, you are 5-7 as well. Whiskey 3, Hotel Zulu United. Thanks for the 2 calls in 73.
USL, thank you.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot. Whiskey X-Ray 7, you're very quiet. Go ahead. Yeah, negative. I need the suffix a couple more times. Copy. Whiskey X-Ray 7, Japan, Mexico. You are 5x1, 5-1, Wisconsin. Roger, Roger, 4-4. Thanks for hunting in 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
November 0,
The November Zulu station.
November 0, Victor Papa November.
Copy. November 0, Victor Papa November. I got it. I heard 0 and I wrote down Z. You are 5x3, 5-3, Wisconsin.
Okay, copy the 5-3.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for hunting in 73. Was there something Delta 2 Lima? QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Whiskey Delta 0, Echo Delta Juliet.
Whiskey Delta 0, Echo Delta Juliet, is that correct?
Delta
Roger, Roger. You are 5x5, 5-5 into Wisconsin today.
5-5, you're also 5-5 into Wichita, Kansas. Thank you for the contact, 7-3.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for hunting today and have a great day, 73. All right, so it's almost 1:50, about, 10 to 2, almost 2 o'clock now. And it's going to take me about an hour and a half to get home without a lot of traffic, and I'm trying to miss the traffic. So I wrap that up. Running 45 watts into a ham stick, getting some pretty good signal ports across the country, Canada, West Coast, East Coast, so pretty spread out, which is always nice. 20 meters you can always count on. Seems like 20 meters all day, every day. Doesn't matter if the sun cycles up or down, 20 meters you can always work. Everybody's on 20 meters, it seems. I did end up with 36 in the log, so pretty happy with that. And, another good Parks on the Air activation. This is 2024, and I've been trying to do some more single sideband, mix it up with some FT8 as well. I did a park activation at the Hank Aaron State Trail this morning in downtown Milwaukee, and that was all FT8. So thanks to all the people that hunted me at the Hank Aaron State Trail on FT8. Again, I like to do FT8. I know there's some people out there that are like, oh, FT8, it's so bad. Oh, it's killing ham radio. I like FT8, so I'm going to do it. That's part of what this is, We're meant to have fun. I'm having fun. If you're not having fun, don't do it. If you don't like FT8, don't do it. No one's forcing you to. But that being said, I enjoy doing FT8, and there's, I do a lot of FT8 hunting from home because that's just my operating style at home. I'm not always sitting in front of the radio. I operate my radio remote from various locations around the house, or, even if I'm out and about, I can operate my radio remotely from home, and I like that. FT8 is very conducive to that, so I do that. But I know there's a lot of people who also can only do FT8 hunting from home, whether it's high noise floor or time constraints, things like that. So I like to make sure I do some FT8 activating to give those hunters some opportunity to get some parks on the air. Until next time, all, from Havenwood State Forest here in Milwaukee, 73.